Evaporate?
The moisture, the water that is on the raw melissa and lavender. It's crucial that that happens so that when we're distilling in there, it doesn't condensate inside of the chamber and go down the drain, our oil.
Okay. So it keeps dry.
Yeah, it's best to keep it dry because having it dry, the all of the oil particles that are in on the plant get released slowly by the steam.
Oh, okay. And how long do you put the plants out?
It usually the plant tells you you can see the change on the plant by just putting it on a thin layer that allows the sun to do the job.
Okay, so it's
So
quick.
it's quick. It's fairly quick. It
Okay.
can take two, maybe an hour,
Oh, okay.
or sometimes when it's not as hot, it can take 4 or 5 hours, but
Oh, okay.
it's within the same day.
咁頭先 Ishmael 咧就係講咧收割完薰衣草或者係香蜂草嘅時候咧，其實佢咧就會攤喺度，擺喺度咧等個太陽咧曬乾啲啲嘅。咁但係因為咧薰衣草同埋香蜂草咧收割完之後咧，其實即係差唔多要即刻去蒸餾啊。咁所以擺喺度嘅時候咧，其實唔係好快，唔係好耐嘅啫。最多係4、5個鐘，或者通常咧有太陽咧1、2個鐘咧就已經就已經可以蒸餾噶啦。咁通常咧佢哋就會擺一塊嘢喺度啦，尤其是香蜂草咧係唔可以掂地下，佢公主嚟㗎。咁所以咧又要好多嘅呵護啦。咁然後咧就將嗰啲嘅水分咧大概蒸發到咁上下咧，咁就擺落個 cooker 㗎。咁頭先咧 Ishmael 都有講啦，點解要蒸發咗啲水分咧？就係因為如果太濕嘅時候擺落去咧，咁咧佢就會影響嗰個蒸油出嚟嘅蒸油嘅。咁所以咧乾翻啲咧，等嗰個嘅蒸氣咧係去慢慢去煮熟嗰啲嘅植物，再去提取嘅精油咧係好啲咯。OK。好，我哋跟住去溫室。咁咧頭先咧，我哋行上嚟嘅時候咧，都問過阿 Ishmael 啦，究竟而家呢個天氣咧，即係因為上年嚟講咧，係呢度全部都係雪地嚟㗎。咁我就問咗一個問題啦 ，which is 其實阿 Joanne 問嘅，咁就係呢個咁嘅天氣咧，會唔會影響嗰啲精油咧？咁佢咧就答啦，因為咧冬季收割咧固然之要係冬季啦，就係要凍㗎啦。咁其實咧係會影響嗰個嘅樹嘅精油嘅。咁因為咧個樹點解要好凍嘅天氣去收割咧？就係發覺咧啲樹咧其實原來咧係將嗰啲嘅根裡面嗰啲精油咧係推返上去個樹幹啊樹枝嗰度去保護佢哋免受咧嗰啲樹咧係凍僵咗嘅。咁所以咧喺冬天好凍嘅時候去收割啲樹咧，嗰啲精油咧係會多啲嘅。咁因為 Young Living 咧係用最天然嘅方法去提取嘅精油啊嘛，咁所以佢盡量咧都希望咧係提高佢嗰個油產量啦。咁一般嘅精油公司咧，其實佢係即係用一啲嘅人工化學物去提取個精油個油產量，但係 Young Living 咧就用最天然，咁佢哋就所以咧選擇最嚴寒嘅時間咧係去即係提取嗰個收割啦，同埋嗰個嘅蒸餾去提取嗰啲精油，令到嗰啲精油咧係多啲啦。咁好啦，我就即刻又問啦，咁薰衣草同埋香蜂草嘅精油會唔會影響咧？咁唔係個結，我講翻啲樹先。咁所以咧，而家咁樣暖咗咧，其實咧嗰啲樹嘅精油咧係真係會減少嘅。咁但係我就問啦，咁 lavender 薰衣草同埋香薰草 香蜂草嘅精油咧，會唔會影響咧？佢就話反而咧係唔會，因為咧佢而家咧暖咗天氣咧，佢哋就提早咗佢哋嗰個hibernate 啊，即係冬眠嘅狀況，咁啊早啲醒，即係咧其實咧就代表咧春天已經嚟到啦。咁佢早咗醒咧，佢個生長嘅時間係耐咗啦。咁所以咧，其實咧對薰衣草同埋個香蜂草嘅製造嗰個精油咧，係會有益處嘅，有好處嘅。而佢哋咧去收割呢啲嘅薰衣草同埋香蜂草嘅時候咧，之前咧佢哋會用一啲嘅儀器咧去測佢哋嘅糖分。咁英文咧就係 Brix level 啦。咁啊 check 咗嗰個 Brix level 係幾多啊？到差唔多，因為佢哋有經驗㗎嘛，每一年。咁佢 check 到最高嘅時候咧，就即刻咧就要收割啦。收割完之後咧，就去擺喺度啦，跟住然之後咧就蒸餾啦，就係咁啦。OK。
Okay, before we go in, these are designated areas that we fenced up so that the wildlife, the deer and the animals that are out there do not bother our plants. These plants, we keep them here so that we can maintain them and allow them to develop and harden through the winter so that when we go out there and put them on the fields, they can get caught up with the other plants that are on our fields already.
咁呢度咧，你見到咧，其實咧係揾啲欄住嘅，咁就係去保護翻呢度嘅植物咧，係 from 嗰啲嘅鹿啊或者其他嘅野生動物去食咗佢嘅。咁呢個咧其實咧就係一啲 BB 嘅植物啦。咁佢哋咧就特登咧擺喺個嚴寒嗰度，令到佢哋咧係更加咧係強壯。咁跟住咧，然之後咧到春天嘅時候咧，佢哋就會擺翻去出邊嘅農地嗰度，然後再繼續種嘅。
It is better to acclimate the plants through the winter before we put them out on our fields, so that we can ensure that most of our plants that we're going to put down are going to survive. Because it would be very, very hard for the new plants that are not acclimated outside, that haven't go through any winter. These plants right here have more of a chance to survive than the ones that we produce in the greenhouse. That's why we utilize the greenhouses just to help as a tool to help us produce during this cold time.
咁嗱，其實咧嗰個嘅溫室咧係幫助嗰啲嘅植物咧係去生長啦，但係同時間咧佢哋亦都會咧係冇擺喺呢度嘅時候咧，佢哋一去到冬天嘅時候咧，佢未試過嚴寒嘅冬天嘅時候咧，佢哋好容易就死㗎啦。咁所以咧，佢哋就將嗰啲嘅溫室嘅 BB 咧擺出嚟，然之後咧等佢哋咧係去經歷嗰個嚴寒，然後令到佢哋咧係可以咧即係佢哋就揀翻一啲比較強壯嘅即係係啦，就出去嗰個嘅 existing 嘅即係 field 嗰度嗰個農地嗰度去繼續種，咁就容易啲種咯，冇咁容易死咯，係啦。
Also, these fence areas that we have here, we utilize them to use it as a garden as well. We have on this area right here, this left side, there is some blueberry shrubs, raspberries, and other berries that we can produce here so that we can utilize the space.
OK， 咁呢個 area 咧，其實咧都係一個公園啊，叫做garden 啦嚇，唔係中文應田園啦，係咪啊？愛嚟種係啦，可以咧愛嚟種啲 berries 啲莓類啊 ，blueberry 啊， raspberry 啊
and
blackberry 啊都可以嘅，係啦。咁因為咧呢度圍咗欄啊，所以咧啲野生嘅動物咧就唔會食咗嗰啲嘅果實啦。 嚇
Blueberry shrub.
呢個 blueberry shop 係啊。
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, we have a deer that came in and that's
Jump over.
no the
Oh.
wind we experienced some really high winds and because this is fairly new, it hasn't quite
Oh.
been completed and this got moving and leave a gap through there that the
Oh.
deer came in through.
Oh, okay, I
So
see。頭先我見到有啲嘅細嘅 poopoo 喺嗰度，咁所以咧我就問：咦，點解可以嘅？咁原來咧呢個係壞爛咗嘅，佢因為呢度係啦偷走咗入嚟，咁就屙咗啲 poopoo 喺度啦，係啦，咁所以咧佢仲 fix 緊，係啊。咁我哋而家咧就行入去個係啦。呢個就係溫室啦。好，等緊你，唔緊要。哦，OK，好啦，OK。咁頭先咧就問過阿 Ishmael 啦，咁因為我上年嚟嘅時候咧，其實咧係有好多嘢，好多植物喺度嘅。咁我就問：咦，點解冇用咧？咁樣，咁佢就話原來咧已經夠植物啦，咁所以咧就唔使開種喺度嘅，係啦。
Speaking of the production that we can achieve with this greenhouse here, every layer of tables that we have here, or let's say the top tables produce about 70,000 plants, or we can hold it, they can hold 70,000 plants. So we have like 140,000 capacity of production. For each batch that we can have, we can produce 2 batches of plants, which doubles 140,000. So the importance of
Can I
yeah, go ahead.
咁呢度咧，其實咧以往咧係有植物嘅時候，種植物嘅時候咧，係每一層咧係可以 hold 到7萬棵嘅植物嘅，而因為2層嘅關係咧，就有成14萬棵嘅植物喺度咯。
A lot of the
sorry， 仲有2個 batch 啊，佢哋可以種2次嘅，咁所以咧係再 double 就28萬棵嘅植物啦，係啦，sorry。I missed that.
The importance of having these greenhouses is so that we can have all of the plants that we need to have for our
upcoming.
Yeah, our season is only good for like 4 to 5 months out of the year, and our growing season. So we have to ensure that we have everything that we need for plants. And the only way to achieve that is by having these greenhouses that can allow us to have to start producing plants from December all the way to March or even May, which is around the time that we are ready to start putting the plants outside when it gets warm enough for farming.
Oh, okay. So you're actually extending the growing season, right? The time.
Well, we have to keep everything within the greenhouse, or otherwise we will lose it because it's cold outside and the plants are acclimated to the warm to how warm it is in here in the greenhouse. So if we pull those plants out right now that have been in this warm environment and we take them outside, the plants are not going to do good. So we have to wait for warm weather that is consistent outside,
Mhm.
that which it can be even mid-May, and we have to wait until then to pull our plants out to start putting them out there on the field so that they can continue to grow.
OK，咁所以咧呢個嘅溫室咧個功效咧，就係因為其實佢哋咧成長即係生長嘅時間咧係好短嘅，得幾個月3-4個月咁。咁但係咧佢哋就可以咧將由12月開始到可能3月或者到5月咧，都可以咧令到啲植物咧係可以生長到啦。咁然後咧佢就可以咧係等到咧個天咧係即係個天氣係穩定嘅時候咧，就將佢哋咧搬翻出去咁樣啦。
Other thing that we utilize our greenhouses for is to everything that we produce here, we collect here. So we have been doing some tests on some of the things that we have produced here. Like, for example, we have chamomile that was harvested, and we utilize our greenhouses so that we can drive the seeds and like collect and do everything. As you can see right here, there's a little patch of chamomile because this is where we collected all of the seeds. All of these bags right here are chamomile seeds.
Oh.
And we have some oregano seeds right here.
Wow. Okay. Wait. Let me translate. 咁呢度咧，另外一個作用啦，其實咧佢就係喺度測試緊嘅。咁地下呢度咧就係一啲嘅洋金菊係咪啊 ？Chamomile 係啊，洋金菊嚟嘅。咁
I believe that is Romaine chamomile.
OK，佢估咧應該係羅馬洋金菊啦，but anyways 就係洋金菊啦。咁佢咧就喺度種緊，咁然後咧就係去採嗰個嘅種子嘅。咁而呢度一包包嗰啲咧就係洋金菊嘅種子咯，係啦。咁同埋呢啲咧就係牛至嘅種子啊，我都係第一次見。係啊，嗯。
And so, as you can see right now, one of the things that the plastic of the greenhouse does is it allows the cold air to stay outside, and we don't have to be utilizing our heaters once the sun or anytime the sun come out, and it keeps a nice warm temperature as you can experience it or feel it right now. When it's too cold or it's freezing temperatures outside, we have the propane heater right there, and then the other one on the other end that help us adjust the temperature so that our production can stay consistently growing and do not get affected by the cold weather.
咁其實呢個嘅溫室咧，係你見到咧係用膠咁樣包住啦。咁其實咧喺冬天嘅時候咧，佢會保護住呢個嘅溫度啦。當呢個太陽咧一嚟嘅時候咧，照咗入嚟咧，大家已經 feel 到咧係暖咗好多，同喺出邊嘅感受。但係咧，如果真係太凍嘅時候，可能或者冇咁多太陽嘅時候咧，佢哋亦都有咧兩邊嘅一啲嘅暖氣咧係擺入嚟嘅，咁咧愛嚟保護呢度嘅植物啦。
The main production that we usually have here at the St. Mary's Farm is Melissa and lavender, but we have been doing some other tests with mint. We believe that it was peppermint, but because we did it from seeds, it became to be spearmint, and that's what we have. That is new.
OK， 另外咧呢個農場咧主要咧其實都係製作呢個薰衣草同埋香蜂草嘅植物啦。咁但係咧其實咧最近咧佢哋喺度測試緊咧係薄荷嘅。咁但係 mint， 咁但係咧其實咧因為佢哋係由種子開始種出嚟啦，咁咧種下佢一路以為係 peppermint 啦。 薄荷啦，點知咧原來咧係 spearmint 咯，就係中文綠薄荷啦，係啦，咁啊好得意嘅，
Okay. Questions?
有冇咩問題啊？OK，
Okay.
好。